Yo, what is up, you guys? Right now, we're at McDonald's, and it is currently 3 in the morning, and we just found out when you come to McDonald's at 3 in the morning, you could order the Among Us Happy Meal, you guys. That's right, you heard me. The Among Us Happy Meal. And there's a toy inside of Among Us. It can either be the crewmate, or it could be an imposter. And if you guys do not know what Among Us is, you must be living under a rock, you guys. This game is insane, okay? So you can play with a bunch of friends, okay? Like 8, I think it's up to 10 people you can play with. And there's imposters, and there's crewmates, and pretty much the imposters trying to sabotage the whole game and trying to win. It's insane, you guys. Once again, this video is not sponsored at all. This game is insane. So we got so excited because we love the game, and we found out the McDonald's offering and the Among Us Happy Meal, and there's a toy inside. But supposedly, when you get this Happy Meal, you guys, something scary and weird happens. I'm gonna get this Among Us Happy Meal. It's gonna be insane, you guys. Alright, here we go, guys. Oh my god, there's literally no one here.
I know.
I mean, 3 in the morning, who's really coming to McDonald's?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, moment of truth. I don't see him on the sign,
I'm
though.
not kidding about it.
Nope.
No.
Can I get the Happy Meal cheeseburger, no pickles? Yeah, and and can I get orange high tea or no? Oh, that's right. That's it. Alright.
No
They actually have
way!
it.
No freaking way!
They actually have it.
Dude, no way! No way!
Alright, I'm putting that one, guys. Alright, that's all
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that works. Okay, cool. You guys! I wonder if it's not decorative though. You're trying to keep it like low key that no one knows, because you can only get it at 3 in the morning, yo. Oh,
It's like secret menu.
it has to be secret menu.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I really thought you were saying no, like they don't have it. I thought it
I
exists.
know.
Did you want to say something?
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Oh my god!
Guys!
You
We
guys!
actually got
The
it!
Among Us Happy Meal, you guys!
Dude, this is so cool!
Okay, you guys, we're gonna head back home, open this up, and see what's inside of it.
Alright, you guys, we're home now, and I'm like ready to feast on this thing, and I also really want to know what's inside.
Yeah, you guys, this is going to be insane. Imagine getting the Among Us Happy Meal from McDonald's.
I
'Cause I know they had a Travis meal and a J Balvin,
Yeah.
but the Among Us Happy Meal.
I think that's so much cooler, honestly.
This is going to be insane. Once again, you can only get this item at 3 a.m.
Yeah.
It is a secret menu item, guys.
Yeah.
So I'm super glad that they did not sell out when we were there. But, Nicole, this is going to be crazy. You know how Among Us is. It's freaky, man. If you guys never played.
It does sometimes.
Very weird.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of freaking out. I really wonder what kind of poison it is. But let's just stop talking and just get right into it. You guys, everyone like this video right now.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Hello, patient number 4412. If you are hearing this, that means you are currently on what is called a therapy trip. A therapy trip is a realm with many different levels of your subconsciousness. Why are you experiencing this, you say? Well, it can be one of two things. You are either dealing with a traumatic event, and trying to process it, or you are in a mild coma, from eating one too many batteries. Either way, in order to escape, you need to find the source of the therapy trip. The thing is though, it could be anything. But the farther you go into your subconsciousness, the source will become more apparent. That is all the time for talking at the moment for me. Me and my wife are going to the Among Us musical. I've heard great things about it. Good luck, patient 4412. Hello, patient number 4412.
I don't feel very comfortable here. I guess it is Ohio after all. I just want to go back to the beach.
Getting ready, son.
Hello patient 4412. We are the Council of Gumball Machines. As you can tell, we are going to terminate you. We have found your obsession with our kind to be frankly quite weird. Because of this, we are ending your subscription to life. You know what? Fine. We will let you leave. But be warned, if that happens again, you won't be happy.